Here we are, New Year's Eve, January 31st, 2014. Box Camp Trailhead, Mount Lemmon. And it's been snowing now for about the past hour. And it predicted to snow anywhere from about 6 inches to a foot. So it looks good for some cross-country skiing, hopefully by tomorrow morning. That's what I came up here for, to get snowed in and hopefully get some cross-country skiing in. Last winter was a real bust. January and February got no snow up here. It was really warm. Just read an article in the paper that 2014 has been the warmest year ever recorded in human history, and so snow is definitely less, and they're even talking about fewer and fewer places that can be used for Winter Olympics. But right now things are looking good for the next 24 hours. So we got camp set up here, December 31st, 2014. And snow's coming down still, a few inches on the ground. Really, maybe only a couple. Hopefully, it'll be much more in the morning. Got the tent set up. So here we go, expedition, December 2014, into New Year's. Chapter 1 completed. Happy New Year's Day 2014. Let's see how much snow we got out here. Last night you can see it's pushed up against the tent. Looking pretty good. Let's go skiing. Here we are, Box Camp Trailhead. We're parked last night, and you can see the snow from last night. The road has been cleared to a large extent, but there's no traffic, so I guess they've got it still shut down. Probably about 8 inches of snow on average, something like that. Now skiing on Mount Bigelow, actually above the clouds, you can see out there. This is about 8,000 feet, over 8,000. And the snow's about 1.5 feet deep up here. So it was an older snow on the ground. So I've been skiing up this road that services these radio towers up here. It's been good skiing, having to break trail the whole day. Nobody's been up here. So anyway, time to go down, check it out. Home sweet home. Here for another night. Lows are supposed to get down to maybe in the single digits tonight. 24 in Tucson. That's now January 3rd, 2015, not 2014 like I earlier misspoke. Heading down the mountain. A lot of traffic coming up Saturday from Tucson on this highway. It goes up the mountain here to Mount Lemmon, and you can see there's Saguaro National Park over there, and the snow, you can see it goes down about as far as you can see. So this snow was really down to low elevations. Probably, I don't know, I'm going to guess 4,000 or 5,000 feet. We'll see as we keep going down. A lot of smog in Tucson. Very smoggy. Like a thermal inversion. Again, snow way down the valley there. Mount Wrightson, not Mount Wrightson, Saguaro National Park. There's Mount. It's Mount Wrightson, 9,000 feet elevation. Very smoggy day there. The traffic's flowing up. They even have to close down this highway, or when it gets too much traffic up here and too much of a bottleneck. There we were, Mount Bigelow. See the towers. We're on getting on the other side of that, just below that. Here's the bottleneck, and they're checking people. They're going to probably start turning away, but Tucson and southern Arizona and beyond are wanting to go up to the snow. So this is the traffic jam that's being created. So who knows what will happen, if they'll all get up or not. Signing off. Snow Expedition, December 31st, 2014, January 3rd, 2015. Well, look, brought a little snow down with me. But as you can see on this side, you can't see any sign of snow still up in the mountains. All that south facing the Front Range is all melted off. But we got this little memento here for at least for the next little while.